Okay, RM, middle of January, I got a review for Atari game Soccer, Real Sports. This game is pretty expensive. You can find it with a torn label, sometimes a little bit cheaper, about 25 bucks. They get up to 30 bucks, 40 bucks now for the games I want to buy. I think I need a shave as well, but I don't think I'm going to shave right now. Maybe I'll let it grow till I pay my last payment. Who knows? I've not played Atari yet on my TV because I have my NES right now, but Atari, I'm collecting them. And I'll start playing them probably around later on. When I unplug my NES, I can plug in the Atari because I have the power switch for it. If you buy your system, make sure you buy it complete with all the controllers, or you'll have a hard time like I'm having now. So I only have one controller, and I need to buy two more. At least have one backup controller. The round paddle, they cost like 60 bucks, 50 bucks. And they're pretty expensive. And games too, sports games, they go 30 bucks easy now. $10 ones, $20 ones are long gone. Now they're going up. 30 bucks, 40 bucks per cartridge, 50 bucks. So that's why I want to start buying these and then go back into a NES game. Alternative, we could buy the all-in-one new system they have, but don't really know what kind of games are on it. Plus, I don't like the little box. I want to see the original box in front of me when I'm playing. And you won't always get the games in good graphics unless you're paying up. So gotta watch out for that. But usually Atari is not very expensive, except for a few games. They go up 60 bucks to 100 bucks. My adventure with Atari, this is soccer. A lot of times you can see sports games with a torn label. Even fine as long as the cartridge itself is good. This one is a red label, so it's pretty cool. I don't have this one. It's Real Sports. And there are a couple other variations of soccer, I think, for Atari as well. I'll probably end up picking up what I can after my two payments are done. So next month is going to be a bit slow, and the month after that, like a half a payment, I think. So that's why I'm trying to push everything together now to finish my last two payments so I can start buying stuff when spring comes. It's still winter, though it feels like it's spring. And then I'll probably end up hooking up my Atari eventually and play with the games. Thanks for watching. Unboxing review. Soccer, Real Sports, on Atari.